The fuel filter is attached to a length of fuel line in the fuel tank. The filter can move freely in the tank, so it stays submerged when the tool is tipped. The filter removes debris from the fuel, so it doesn't enter and clog the carburetor. Over time, the fuel filter will become clogged with debris, which will restrict the flow of fuel to the engine. This can result in an engine that is hard to start, starts and dies, or won't start at all. Replacing the fuel filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old fuel filter from the fuel tank. The fuel cap is secured to the tank with a lanyard. I'll just go ahead and pull the entire assembly out of the tank. Now I'll use a piece of wire that I've shaped into a hook to fish the fuel line out of the tank opening. With the fuel line and filter removed, now I can remove the filter. To install the new fuel filter, I push the nipple inside the fuel line, and now I can drop the filter back down into the tank. And I'll finish by reinstalling the fuel cap. And that's how easy it is to replace the fuel filter in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.